Welcome to the Lesson 5 Nutshell. Today, we will discuss punctuation. Punctuation marks are symbols that writers use to help them emphasize or clarify their points. There are some punctuation marks that writers use to signal a definition, a description, or a list of examples. In this program, we refer to these as punctuation definition signals. These are brackets, dashes, commas, colons, hyphens, and slashes. Let's start off with brackets. Writers use brackets to signal a definition or description of a word. Brackets always come in pairs, an open bracket and a closed bracket. The definition or description of the word comes in between the two brackets. Let's look at an example sentence. George Washington, the first U.S. president, gave his farewell address in 1786. In this example, the brackets tell us to pause and notice the helpful description of George Washington. If you encounter an acronym like FBI, look for brackets to tell you the meaning of the acronym. Similar to brackets, dashes are used to signal additional information. The specific information can be a description or definition. In this example, the dash indicates that having plenty of is the definition of the word abundant. Let's move on to commas. One way writers use commas is to present items in a list or series of events. For example, chicken noodle soup is made from broth, noodles, carrots, and celery. Another punctuation definition signal is the colon. Writers use colons to signal that either a definition or a list is to follow. Here, the colon is present to indicate that the definition of halitosis is bad breath. Writers use hyphens to link 2 or 3 words together. Linking words with hyphens creates a new word with a new meaning. The words well and being have their own separate meanings, but when attached by a hyphen, a whole new meaning is created. Finally, writers use slashes to signal alternate words that can fit both equally well into a sentence. For example, it is cold outside. You should wear a sweater or a cardigan. Slashes tell us to pause and notice how either word can fit in the sentence.